Welcome back to Like Health. Today, we're diving into a unique health challenge, chewing one clove a day for 30 days. Cloves are packed with powerful antioxidants and health-boosting compounds. But what happens when you make them part of your daily routine? In this video, we'll explore 5 incredible benefits you might experience from this simple habit. Stay tuned as we uncover how just one small spice could lead to noticeable changes in your health. The first benefit: improved digestion. Chewing one clove a day can significantly boost your digestive health. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound that stimulates the production of digestive enzymes, helping to break down food more efficiently. This can improve nutrient absorption and overall digestive function. Cloves also help to reduce bloating and gas, providing relief from discomfort. Their natural anti-inflammatory properties can soothe the digestive tract, promoting smoother digestion. Additionally, chewing cloves increases saliva production, which aids in the breakdown of food in the mouth. This can reduce indigestion and help balance stomach acid levels. Cloves also support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, improving your gut microbiome. Over time, this simple habit can help prevent common digestive issues, like constipation or heartburn, while ensuring better overall gut health. By incorporating cloves into your daily routine, you'll notice smoother digestion and less bloating. This makes cloves a great natural remedy for enhancing digestive efficiency. The second benefit: enhanced immune function. Chewing one clove a day can provide a powerful boost to your immune system. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, particularly eugenol, which help fight oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can weaken the immune system. Cloves also have antimicrobial and antifungal properties, helping your body ward off infections. By chewing a clove daily, you can enhance your body's ability to fight off common colds, flu, and other illnesses. Additionally, cloves are known to support healthy blood circulation, which ensures that immune cells are efficiently transported throughout the body. Over time, this simple habit can strengthen your defenses and improve your overall immunity. The third benefit: oral health improvement. Chewing one clove a day can significantly improve your oral health. Cloves are known for their natural antibacterial and antiseptic properties, which help fight harmful bacteria in the mouth. This can reduce the buildup of plaque, prevent bad breath, and lower the risk of gum disease. Cloves also contain eugenol, which has pain-relieving qualities, making them a natural remedy for toothaches or sore gums. Regularly chewing cloves can promote healthier teeth and gums by reducing inflammation and infection. Additionally, cloves help stimulate saliva production, which aids in neutralizing acids in the mouth, further protecting your teeth from decay. With consistent use, cloves can contribute to fresher breath and better overall oral hygiene. The fourth benefit: anti-inflammatory effects. Chewing one clove a day can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate chronic inflammation, which is linked to several health conditions like arthritis, heart disease, and even cancer. By regularly chewing cloves, you may experience reduced swelling and pain in joints, muscles, and tissues. This natural remedy can be particularly beneficial for those who suffer from inflammatory conditions such as arthritis. The anti-inflammatory effects of cloves can also improve overall mobility and comfort, making this simple habit a powerful tool in supporting your long-term health. With consistent use, you may notice less pain and more flexibility. The fifth benefit: better blood sugar control. Chewing one clove a day can help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that cloves contain compounds that improve insulin sensitivity, which can be especially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. The eugenol in cloves helps lower blood sugar levels by improving how the body processes glucose. This can help prevent spikes and crashes in blood sugar, contributing to more stable energy levels throughout the day. Additionally, cloves may support healthy metabolism, further aiding in the management of blood sugar. Incorporating this spice into your daily routine can be a simple yet effective way to help maintain balanced blood sugar levels over time. We welcome all new subscribers to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to receive all new